Hello, my name is Shelby Grams, and my father, Jay, currently is out of the office as he has trigeminal neuralgia, which is a very painful nerve in the face. But he says the show must go on, so I'm going to try and give you my best impression of this truck. And all the pictures and information is on our website at volocars.com. With that being said, I'm going to tell you about this 1970 Chevrolet CK 1500 Resto Mod with a 5.3 liter LS swapped motor. Everything on this car is pretty much brand new as it has 250 miles on it since having a completed nut and bolt restoration by a shop that specializes in restoring trucks like this. And some of their trucks have even sold for $200,000 at Barrett Jackson. With that being said, let's go for a spin. Trucks are seriously one of the hottest things on the market right now, and this truck has it all. This truck looks to be spotless and beautiful. It had just been completed with a restoration and was expertly applied with a red velvet metallic paint. Seriously, just looking at the paint, it looks super glossy, and I love it. It is laser straight as well, looking down the sides. Coming to the back, we have brand new turn signals and a brand new shiny rear bumper, as well as brand new taillights. Everything on this truck is practically brand new. Now, these back here has a custom 3-inch lift with some beefy 33 by 12.5 R15 BF Goodrich tires mounted on some Pro Comp wheels. Looking again down the side, it's nice and straight. We have new trim, new door handles, and a new mirror. The door seems to be fitting very nice as the gaps look to be consistent throughout. We even have new emblems. All of the glass is new as well. Coming up to the front, again, we have a new bumper and some new bright headlights. The grille is brand new as well. It all looks to be spotless. I seriously can't get over how beautiful the paint is on this truck. It is extremely reflective. It even has manual locking hubs up front, so you can drive it with 4-wheel drive. And now let's go check out the interior. Here we have a short bed with a fresh spray-on bed liner that looks to be as if it was completed yesterday. We have brand new hinges and hardware, as well as a relocated fuel filler cap on the inside. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the next video is posted. Now looking at the door jambs, the paint looks to be just as nice as the exterior of the car, as well as the top and bottom of the inside of the door. We have a brand new door panel with new handles as well. Now coming to the inside of the car, we have a brand new gauge bezel with Dakota digital dash. We have our controls for our lights, as well as our controls for our wipers, with a tilt column steering wheel in place. Now here in the center, we have an Android tablet mounted in place of our radio that has Bluetooth controls for making calls and listening to music, with several other apps and features. Now down here, we have Old Air Products controls for our heat and air, as well as our defrost. Right here, we have our cigarette lighter. And over here, we have our glove box, opening it up. We have a new liner in place. And again, seriously, look at how glossy the paint is. Looks very, very nice. Now down here, we have our kick panel with a 5.5-inch speaker mounted into place with brand new black carpet. We have our 4-wheel drive shifter with extremely comfortable TMI seats in place. We have our cargo lamp in back with a new headliner and sun visors. We even have a brand new rear view mirror in place as well. Again, it looks all to be very nice. Now in the back of the seat, we have a carpeted speaker in place as well. Now let's look at the engine compartment. Looking under the hood, we have an original power plant that had been swapped with a remanufactured crate L33 5.3 liter LS engine. It is generating 310 horsepower. This car has only been driven 250 miles since completion. It has fuel injection, headers, and a cold air intake. Additionally, an old Air Products air conditioning system has been added, as new power brake system, as well as new power steering, including the column and gearbox. It has a radiator that has been upgraded to a large aluminum unit with dual electric fans. All of the hoses and wires are brand new as well. It has a billet aluminum dipstick, and the underside of the hood has been neatly painted in satin black and is very smooth. It also has new hinges and springs, and the fender wells and firewall have been painted with the same coating as the truck bed liner. Now Michael's going to show you what this truck's got.
All right, everybody, gonna have a little pickup truck fun here. Got the 70 CK 1500. Man, this thing is sweet. I wish it was a little sunnier out so you guys can see the reflection in this paint here. It is literally like a mirror. I know Jay's gonna say it in the video, but I mean, when you talk mirror finish, this is the definition of it right here. And that goes all the way down into the interior here, so you can see kind of our glove box finished in the exact same fashion that the outside is. I mean, this is just as slick as they come. Absolutely loving it. Got the touch screen display here to handle all your onboard operation, including a backup camera. Totally sweet there. Radio works. You can pre-program songs in there. Right now it looks like they got a little Madonna on there. We got the vintage AC that is on and working currently. It is a hot day and that thing just works totally sweet. Right now we got an opening in the traffic, and let's see what she's got. Okay guys, you want to just dominate the road wherever you go, this is it. You know, it's got the lift on there, and a tasteful lift at that, but you'll definitely turn some heads and get noticed in this one. LS V8 under the hood, just a tremendous car. Overdrive automatic transmission. I mean, this may be one of the best restored trucks that's out on the market right now. Period. I don't care where you guys are gonna look. Definitely consider this one. Totally sweet. Got brand new wheel here, steering wheel. It's got the finger grooves on the back, and it's nice and chunky. Give you a real nice grip there. But yeah, if you're interested in something like this, I would say go ahead, hit the buy it now, lock it up, because you do not want to miss out on this truck. I mean, everything is just. It's done right. All the suspension, everything underneath, it's all brand new. You got the turnkey reliability of the LS, of course, with the fuel injection, and yeah, this truck just checks all the boxes. Absolutely. Want to come test drive it? By all means, you're more than welcome to do so. In fact, we would encourage it. Contact anybody in our sales department. Joey or Eric would be more than happy to line that up for you guys. If you feel you need another opinion, if you're just not impressed enough by the pictures and the description on this one, you could also have a third-party inspection. Yeah, and we will be more than accommodating to them. But guys, seriously, don't sleep on this one. It's a fantastic vehicle. Absolutely, without a doubt, you're going to love it. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
The The underbody is completely restored and new. It literally looks like you can eat off of it. The steering, gearbox links, bushings, and hardware have all been replaced. Skyjacker steering stabilizers have also been added to improve the ride quality. Very practical 3-inch lift all the way around on this truck. Every single suspension component has been replaced or upgraded, as well as front and rear leaf springs and shocks that are brand new, as disc brakes at all 4 corners with fresh parts, and the emergency brake is even hooked up. As a fresh pair of headers that connect to a full dual exhaust system with mufflers and polished stainless steel tailpipes as well. It even has a new fuel tank with new lines and a pump. Now looking up at the newly remanufactured 5.3 liter LS swapped motor, it is completely spotless and clean. The same goes for the paired 4L60E overdrive automatic transmission. It is like new with new lines as well. This truck even has a new 12-bolt rear end with a 3.73 gearing that has also been installed. That transfers the power through a brand new set of drive shafts and a brand new transfer case. The frame and floors are absolutely solid, slick, and rust-free with fresh, neatly applied black paint. Now, thanks for watching.